Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send location by WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your Android device and select the chat of the person you want to send your location to. Once you are inside the chat, tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom near the message box. From the option that appear, select location. Now you will see a map showing your current position. You can either send your live location, which updates as you move, or you can send your current static location. To send your current location, just tap on Send your current location. If you want them to track your movement in real time, choose Share live location and select how long you want it to be active. After you tap Send, your location will be shared instantly with your contact. They can open it in their map app and easily navigate to you if needed. This feature is especially useful when meeting friends or guiding someone to your place. And that's it. Now you know how to send location by WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.